agree kayo, oh, love it. At no kung hindi kayo agree. Okay, are you ready, housemates? Go ahead, Sean?
Okay, first question. Diretso ko ito, magsistay ulit pa kayo ng matagal sa bahay ni Kuya? Give it a chance. Yes or no?
Yes!
Yes. Okay.
Gusto nyo ba yun? Silang naman ulit sa labang magbahay? Si Mom?
Iba naman.
Okay, kahit walang budget ng pagkain ha, yes kayong lahat ha. Okay. Yes.
Okay, next. Palitan ang final duo partner nyo.
Ito naman. Ulamin ang munggo ni Clarice araw-araw.
Araw-araw ha?
No! No!
She admits it herself.
Siya kasi magluluto eh, kaya no.
Okay, ito last, may nakikinig na mga boses ang gusto namin malaman. From collab fancon to collab movie or series. I think it's a yes.
It's a yes! Yes, and with that, once again, aabang natin sa taktang panahon kung magaganap yan. Let us give it up for our PBB Collab X Housemates! Kahit sobrang busy ng mga schedule nila, nagawa nila ng paraan to rehearse for tonight. Kaya guys, mula sa aming lahat na nandito ngayon, we are very, very proud of you. At syempre, diba guys, susupport naman natin sila pala. Always!
Yes, at syempre, hindi matutuloy ang success ng fancon na ito kung hindi dahil sa supporters ninyo na tumulong ito online at bumulo dito sa Big Dome. Grabe, sold out. Hindi mahulog yan ang karayo. Tama ba? Hindi mahulog ang karayo out sa Big Dome. Sending them also to our team behind watching via I1. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Kaya syempre gusto natin magpasalamat sa ating very, very supportive process. They appear tonight with Chloe Vidales, Derek Long and Joby, Miss Joy Marcelo, and Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Maraming salamat po. And to the whole Sparkle Jimmy Artist Center and Star Magic Management.
Right, maraming salamat din sa ating guest tonight, Michelle Marquez, Billy Joanna, and Billy Stacy, and of course, Miss Ivana Alawi. And what matters tonight, besties, the Rockers, Coach Weber, Darno, Matrix, and Rolly, head by Coach Mickey Purse. Maraming salamat.
At syempre, sa ating arrangers, na you can behind our tracks tonight, we have DJ Kiko Sawen, DJ Glenn, Chuck Bosson, Glenn Leendo, Sir Rick Mercado, and Sir Ray Carlos. Maraming po sa inyo. And of course, our dear sponsors, I could not forget this. Mga kapulipang kapamilya, hanggang sa susunod natin pa sa aming website. We give you, once again, our PBB Collab X Housemates together with Asian Stop Art Club.
What? Asian Spot? Thank you.
Sa aking buhay ka, walang magagawa.
Sayawan na to eh.
Kahit sa mga